Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookie bars. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 9x 13-inch pan with parchment. Start by creaming 1 cup butter and 1 cup sugar until pale, then beat in 2 room temperature eggs and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Gradually add 2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder until just combined. Press dough evenly, and for flavor options, fold in mix-ins like 1 cup chocolate chips or 1/2 cup chopped nuts to add texture and interest. If you prefer a twist, add 1 teaspoon almond extract or a tablespoon citrus zest, but use sparingly. Gentle mixing preserves a tender crumb, so stop once ingredients are evenly distributed. Press the dough into the pan evenly to ensure uniform baking and consistent chew in every bar. Bake your sugar cookie bars for 18 to 22 minutes, watching for light golden edges and a set center. Allow the pan to cool on a rack for 10 minutes so bars firm up, then lift using the parchment and cool completely. Once cool, slice into squares and add a thin glaze, frosting, or sprinkles to finish. Store bars in an airtight container to keep them chewy and fresh for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.